Good morning, everyone. This is Donna, and this is my entry into the Hey Barbie April Challenge. And the theme this month was polka dots. And I just got this girl a week or so ago, and I have been wanting to sew for her. So I thought this particular challenge might be a good attempt to use her to make a nice little outfit for her. So I didn't think that she would look right in the traditional polka dot. So me being me, I'm playing on that theme a little bit, and I'm using this little black fabric that I have. I made the high-waisted skirt, put the front slit in it. The shirt is just a simple high neck, long sleeve, closed in the back. I think I have it hemmed. I'm not sure. I was trying to get it finished. I started this late yesterday afternoon to try to get it in an entry into this collaboration. So if not, I will have to hem it, and I'll show you the little top. I'm sure you'll see it on the other outfits for her. Anyway, the boots that she is modeling today happen to be rainbow high boots, and they were some that actually came in the red box. So if you are looking for some boots for this curvy girl, they are a little longer than the normal Barbie shoes, but these low boots actually fit her pretty good. The shoes, not so much, but I think there might be some that she might even be able to stand on her own in these. But for this, considering that I don't have any others right now really for her, I think it's gonna they'll work for a little bit. The black ones of Ainsley look really, really sharp on her. Anyway, this is my entry into the April challenge. I can't wait to see what everyone else does. And hopefully next month I will be able to join along as well. Until then, I hope you have a great day, and we will see you later. Bye.